Experts from multiple disciplines have gathered at a Chulalongkorn University-organized discussion forum on managing the effects of and recovering from the March 28th earthquake. Ideas were exchanged with the objective of finding sustainable solutions for disaster preparedness.
Dr. Santi Pailop Lee at the Department of Geology, Faculty of Science, Chulalongkorn University, provided a brief insight on the nature of earthquakes. He explains that the first tremor will be the most severe and will be followed by aftershocks, which will be less intense than the initial quake and will continually decrease in magnitude. However, it is not possible to predict how many aftershocks will occur subsequently. Dr. Santi gave an example of a magnitude 7.7 earthquake in Indonesia that had more than 500 aftershocks, with these aftershocks not causing any harm. Dr. Panya Darusiri, also from the Department of Geology, Faculty of Science, Chulalongkorn University, views that there are certainly opportunities for more earthquakes to occur along the Sakai Fault, the largest fault in Southeast Asia. The fault has many branching segments, while the Mae Hong Son Fault in northern Thailand is situated parallel to Sakai Fault. When the latter gives rise to an earthquake, domino effects are had on the aforementioned branching segments, as well as on Mae Hong Son Fault, although the magnitude of these effects will not be severe. A mild earthquake has already occurred along the Mae Hong Son Fault following the Sakai Fault's activity. Dr. Chatpan Jintana Pakdi at the Department of Civil Engineering, Faculty of Engineering, Chulalongkorn University, indicated that the March 28th earthquake had the most extensive impacts on Bangkok ever. He noted that in buildings, cracks running along pillars and beams are concerning and may impact the main structure, whereas cracks along walls are of less concern. He suggested that building managers have engineers inspect the condition of their building, noting that deformations to the extent of warps in a building structure would be difficult and not worthwhile to repair. However, he said that most damages found at condominiums had to do with the architectural aspect, and no impacts were had on the structural system.